All right, so it does look like we broke the ET8550. So right now it's not turning on. I've called Epson though. They're just gonna replace it because it looks like I'm having a printer failure or malware failure, I think is what they called it. The printer won't turn on at all. So I'm pretty sure this is the cause of it. I had this inside the printer, and it was just sitting there for all night. And I'm pretty sure that's what caused it. Because it worked for like a second or a couple times when I turned it on. And then afterwards, nada. So, yeah. But good news is I called Epson, and they're just going to send me a new replacement. I just got to send this one. So, we're going to switch back. We're going to switch over to we got some backups right there, so we're good to go for printing.